The legal battle over the enormous 30,000 crore rupees fortune of late industrialist Sanjay Kapoor has just taken an unexpected turn. The first hearing of the case took place last week at the Delhi High Court, and now, a fresh plot twist has emerged. Mahesh Jethmalani, a senior lawyer representing Karishma Kapoor's children, Samaira and Kian, has revealed some shocking details. According to Jethmalani, the children have not received the shares worth 1,900 crore rupees that were mentioned in the court proceedings. The legal team for Karisma's children clarified, stating, "The 1,900 crore rupees figure is based on the value of Sona Comstar shares, and the children have not received any of the shares, which are still held through the trust. Control of these assets remains with Priya Sachdev Kapoor in the trust, and the children have no access to it." Priya Sachdev Kapoor, Sanjay Kapoor's third wife, currently holds control over these assets through the trust. This raises questions about the fairness of the distribution, especially considering that Samaira and Kian, the children from Sanjay's previous marriage to Karisma, are still in the dark about their inheritance. Mahesh Jethmalani emphasized, "This litigation is about securing the future of Sanjay Kapoor's children and ensuring fair access to the assets held in India and abroad." Jethmalani further explained the situation by breaking down the numbers. Assuming the estate is worth 30,000 crore rupees and the children have allegedly received 1,900 crore rupees from the RK Trust, it still leaves over 28,000 crore rupees to Priya Sachdev Kapoor. Would she forsake a good part of that fortune? This legal battle is not just about numbers but about ensuring that all 5 Class 1 heirs, including Karishma's 2 children, receive fair access to Sanjay Kapoor's estate. The children have not even been given a copy of the will, nor do they have any clarity on their father's vast assets. As the case unfolds, the question remains, will Samaira and Kian get their rightful share of Sanjay Kapoor's massive fortune? Stay tuned for more updates on this high-profile legal battle.